Hello friend, today I have a Land Cruiser 2010 customer complaint no horn. In this video I will show you how to change a clock spring inside the steering. Two Allen key screw, one is right side and one is left side. T27 star Allen key T27. Open this two screw. Two airbag connector, and this is the horn wire. I touch with the ground but no horn. Remove 19 number bolt, 19 nut. Remove carefully. Then remove another 3 screws. Make sure your tire is straight when you remove a parallel cable. The tire will be must straight. This 3 screw. Lexus LX 470, same clock spring, but the steering angle sensor fixed inside this parallel cable. If the old one has a steering angle sensor, you must open the steering angle sensor and fix in the new one. This is lock, the yellow clips used for a lock. Lexus LX 470, same thing, the everything same, but inside the steering angle sensor location they are fixed a steering angle sensor in Lexus LX 570 RES 350. The clock spring is same, everything is same, only remove the steering angle sensor and fix in the new one.
Beep beep.